In this video, we will be sharing how to pick winning stocks in a down market and using airline stocks as a real case example. So on the last trading day, Friday, January 10th, the overall stock market was down in the red. But many airline stocks rallied to new highs because Delta Airlines reported better than expected earnings. So picking the right stocks for your portfolio can be very beneficial during times when the broader market goes down. And knowing when to close out and rotate into other stock picks is just as important. For example here, Delta Airlines started to break down last month. And this red trend line here, which ends on November 15, is actually when we closed our Delta Airlines trade, taking profits, which in retrospect was a pretty good decision because it never went up much higher. And we shared it in this video back on November 15th when we made more than 500% profit. So if you want to learn more about how we did this, we'll put a link to this video up here. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on these very profitable opportunities. Now, how do we pick winning stocks in a down market? The short answer is we pick the same stocks that wealthy investors are trading. The rich have more resources and information to make better financial decisions. No wonder the rich get richer. So that's why we specialize in unusual option activity, to decipher the market data that shows the stocks the rich are trading and their trading strategies. As earnings season kicks off, we would like to remind everyone that even though we do not have a lot of time to make earnings videos analyzing unusual option activity, we are emailing new trade alerts analyzing unusual options on a daily basis to our members. And so, for example, this was a recent email we sent out a few days ago to our members listing out additional trades with unusual option activity that we detected on January 7th. Now, notice we analyzed some airline stocks like UAL, United Airlines, and ALK, Alaska Air, that these wealthy investors were going long bullish, buying airline stocks before Delta Airlines reported earnings on Friday, January 10th, which caused other airline stocks to hit new highs, like United Airlines. As you can see on the stocks chart, hitting a new 52-week high on the last trading day. And you can see our position in UAL over here for the February 21st options at the 110 strike calls. Our position here, POS stands for position, green means buy. And the 130 strike calls, red means sell. These are the same options that we highlighted in our email over here for UAL. For ALK, we had the February 21st options at the 70 strike calls. And so we can see for Alaska Air, ALK, right over here at the 70 strike calls. We also in the same position. Now we had multiple long bullish positions on ALK because we analyzed more than one instance of unusual option activity in different expiration dates, and they were all buying long call options. The February 21st options was the latest one we emailed about. And you can see the stock also hitting new highs on the last trading day. And so when multiple stocks in the same industry are either long bullish or short bearish, we get a pretty good idea as to how the rich are trading during earnings for stocks in that sector, because stocks in the same type of business are well correlated. If one goes up after earnings, other stocks in that same sector typically go up too, like in this example of Delta Airlines. But having said that, during earnings season, there is also more unusual option activity that could be hedging against underlying stock to lower the elevated level of risk from this binary earnings event. So keep that in mind, because wealthy investors use options to hedge, to protect their capital investments. And a hedging trade is actually the opposite of their trading direction, going against their underlying stock position. So if you do not have a lot of experience analyzing unusual option activity, or you simply follow scanners, then there's a good chance you end up following the wrong trade direction and start losing money. So that's why we have to spend a lot of time analyzing more data to truly understand what these wealthy investors are really doing. And that is why we do not have as much time to make videos and why we have been emailing our analysis results to members. So if you want these daily emails to see more trading opportunities, make sure to join our membership from our website. Because if you join our membership from YouTube, we do not get your email address because YouTube does not share it with us. So we'll put a link to our website at the top here. And if you're not ready to join our membership, that's okay too. You can learn more about our work by watching our last video on Delta Airlines. We'll put a link over here. As usual, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, take care, and have a wonderful day.